Pennsylvania car accident lawsuit timeline. Dealing with the aftermath of a car accident in Pennsylvania can feel overwhelming. Between medical treatment, insurance claims, and financial stress, victims often wonder how long it will take to achieve justice and secure compensation. Knowing the key deadlines, legal phases, and potential obstacles gives you power to make informed decisions from the start. A skilled Western Pennsylvania car accident lawyer can guide you through each stage and fight to protect your rights. The two critical timelines. Pennsylvania law imposes two separate timelines. The statute of limitations is a strict deadline. For most personal injury claims, you have 2 years from the accident to file, and missing it can bar your claim. The resolution timeline is the time it takes to resolve a case and get paid. Some cases with clear liability and minor injuries may end within months, while complex cases or those with severe injuries can take 2 years or more. Deadlines and exceptions. The general 2-year rule ensures that evidence remains available and memories stay reliable. There are exceptions. Claims against a government require written notice within 6 months. Minors have until age 20 to file. Wrongful death actions begin on the date of death. Latent injuries reset the clock when discovered, and the deadline pauses if an at-fault driver leaves the state or conceals their identity. These nuances show why consulting an attorney quickly matters. The case process. Most car accident claims follow a predictable path. Immediately after a crash, focus on medical care, documenting the scene, gathering witness information, and obtaining a police report. Pennsylvania law requires drivers to report an accident within 5 days if police do not investigate. Contacting a lawyer early preserves evidence and keeps communications with insurers on track. During the foundation stage, the injured person receives treatment and reaches maximum medical improvement when their condition stabilizes. MMI allows accurate calculation of damages. Attorneys then investigate police reports, interview witnesses, and sometimes consult professionals. Once MMI is reached, the attorney sends a demand package explaining liability and supporting the claim. Insurers typically respond with low offers, leading to negotiations that can last months. If a fair settlement isn't reached, a lawsuit is filed. Most cases still settle. About 95% resolve without a jury verdict. Litigation brings court rules and deadlines. During discovery, both sides exchange evidence and testimony. This stage may last 6 months to over a year. Once settlement is reached, release forms are signed and the insurer issues a check to the attorney's office, which resolves any medical liens before distributing the remainder to the client. Insurance choices. Pennsylvania uses a choice no-fault system. Drivers elect full tort or limited tort coverage. Full tort costs more but preserves the right to recover economic and non-economic damages. Limited tort is cheaper but restricts recovery for pain and suffering unless injuries are serious. Proving seriousness often requires medical records and adds months. Exceptions give limited tort policyholders the same rights as full tort when the at-fault driver was convicted of driving under the influence, drove a vehicle registered in another state, intentionally caused the crash, or was uninsured. Limited tort restrictions generally do not apply when the victim was a pedestrian, motorcyclist, or occupant of a commercial vehicle. An experienced attorney will examine these exceptions because they can remove the serious injury requirement. Factors affecting the timeline. Several factors can delay settlement: disputed liability, severe injuries requiring extended treatment, incooperative insurers, multiple defendants, and court backlogs. Conversely, clear fault, strong documentation, efficient legal representation, and accurate case valuation help speed up the process. Understanding the timeline of a Pennsylvania car accident lawsuit helps you prepare for deadlines and avoid costly mistakes. Knowing your rights empowers you to secure fair compensation. The attorneys at Luxenberg Garbett, Kelly and George P.C. have decades of experience handling car accident claims across Pennsylvania and fight to ensure victims get the compensation they deserve. Call their law firm at 724-658-8535 or visit their office at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101 for guidance. The law firm's attorney team stands ready to help protect your future.